Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. I am here with Chef Nathan Lippy. I am making for him my crispy
sweet
chili shrimp tacos.
Got it.
They're a
We're
favorite.
struggling off camera for a second. We nailed it.
Yeah, these are one of my favorites from a local restaurant that has them on special every once in a while. So since I can't get them all the time, I like making them, and I thought you would love them.
So you're borrowing a recipe from
I
a
am.
restaurant instead of CJ as usual.
I literally thought that you would enjoy these just as much as I do.
They look fantastic.
Let's make them. These tacos need a sauce. It's just a sauce. It's simple. A little bit of Dukes that has the twang into a bowl with some sweet Thai chili sauce.
Two ingredient sauce?
Simple,
I'm down
fast,
with that.
easy. You know that's how I like to cook. Mix that together and slide it aside. And then if you could help me make my slaw.
Oh, with this purple cabbage or red cabbage, Betty?
It's purple, just the same color as a purple onion.
All right, fine. How do you want? Do you want it like real tiny?
Yeah, can you do it real nice and thin, small for our street-sized taco shells into a bowl, and then add some cilantro to it too.
Oh, this is another really simple one, right? We're talking rice vinegar, sesame oil, cilantro, and that's kind of it. It's like a quick slaw.
A little squeeze of lime,
the lime.
too, and some sesame seeds for a little pop of color.
It's really
and
beautiful.
That's done. We're gonna slide that aside now, and on to our shrimp. I've got small size shrimp since we have small street sized tacos. Into a bowl, I'm gonna add some cornstarch.
I like it when you do this. They look really beautiful.
I'm adding a little bit of honey jalapeno.
Another 2-ingredient mix.
You could either keep the shrimp naked, or if you wanted to,
naked
them with
naked
egg
shrimp.
wash, flour, the breadcrumb, all of that.
Wait, what's a naked shrimp? Is that without the tail?
A naked shrimp is with no breading. Or bread it fully with panko or breadcrumbs, but a good in the middle for someone who's maybe a little bit lazy like me. Go straight cornstarch. It's fast. It gives it just that little bit of crunch that you need. We've got our Blackstone rolling on low heat because I don't want these to cook too fast since they are small
I always
shrimp.
go fast and furious.
Yeah,
Furious.
We don't want to overcook the shrimp. So down with a little bit of oil, get these shrimp in there. They only need a couple minutes per side, and then I'm going to get them tossed around that
like
oil.
They don't get like super brown, just like slightly brown.
If you want them more brown, go for panko or regular breadcrumb.
Okay,
cornstarch isn't going to get too dark on you.
I like that.
On the opposite side of our griddle, I want to heat up our street-sized taco shells.
Oh, CJ would kill you. These are flour. He loves the corn.
Yeah.
Would you do corn here or just flour?
Last time I was here, we did salmon tacos with you. You went for the corn, I went for the flour, and you liked the flour better for the seafood. I think shrimp and salmon need the flour taco. Time to build these. Let's get our sweet Thai chili sauce
You do sauce
in
first.
the bottom. Yeah, it's kind of like a bed, and the sauce really is what makes these tacos.
So sauce, then shrimp, then slaw. Okay, I like it.
And a little bit of thinly sliced jalapeno, a little more sesame
the
seeds on
contrast
top.
is really, really stunning.
Are you ready to taste it?
Oh yeah. You know the only problem with these are?
They're messy?
No, we only made 4.
Oh, well, we don't have to share with
Where's
anybody
mine,
else. We're not sharing with anybody else.
Oh, does Ethan get to eat on your show?
Thanks for cooking with me.
Cheers. That's fun.
Like that flavor? I'm at home.
Overcooking shrimp is like a cardinal sin. I don't think you've ever overcooked shrimp ever in your life.
No.
Tender is the right word for that. So good.
This is a favorite bar food of mine. Or date night. They're really perfect for
It's a little messy for a date.
Yeah.
Unless you both get them and you both.
You've never been on a messy date?
No, it's messy. Do I have it on my face? It's my beard.
It's all over. But I like it like that. I'm so glad that you let me cook these for you and that you like them.
Glad you let me be a mess on camera.
You guys have to make these at home, right? They have to make them at home.
Super good.
Post a picture for us because you know I love sharing your guys' remakes of all of our recipes. So tag Blackstone Products and tag me, Blackstone Betty. Make sure you're following Nate, me, all the guys here, watching all of our recipes for you guys. And until next time, I can't wait to come back here.
Praise the Lord and pass the shrimp. Oh wait.
Wrong show.
Sorry.
This is
This is
the show where we cook and we quote. Just kidding.
Also wrong show.
I would never.
See you guys.